Today, we are going to learn nouns and adjectives in 3 languages. What is noun? Noun is a name of places, person, or animal. Igbo call it ngwa, while French call it noun. Adjectives is word or phrase, naming an attribute added to or grammatically related to noun to modify or describe it. Igbo call it mkpụrụ okwu maọbụ ahịrịokwu na-akpọpụta njirimara. Mkpụrụ okwu maọbụ ahịrịokwu na-akpọpụta njirimara ma ọ bụkwa mgbakwanye okwu. French call it adjective. New car. The adjective here is new. Why is the noun? Ụgbọ ọhụrụ. Adjective here is ọhụrụ. Why the noun is ụgbọ? French call it nouvelle voiture. The adjective here is nouvelle. Why the voiture is the noun? Number 2 is old clothes. The adjective here is old. Why the noun is the clothes? Igbo na-akpọ ya, Igbo call it akwa ochie. Akwa is clothes, while ochie is old. That means the adjective here is ochie. Why the noun is aqua. French call it vieux vêtement. Vieux is old. Vêtement is clothes. Vieux is old. Good woman. The adjective here is good. And the noun here is the woman, because the good justified who the woman is. Igbo call it nwanyị ọma. Why French call it bonne femme. Nwanyị is the noun, why the ọma is the adjective. Number 4, we have wicked man. The adjective here is wicked because it justifies what the man is and who the man is. Igbo call it ajọ nwoke. The ajọ justify who the man is. It justifies that the man bụ ajọ nwoke. French call it innominations. Innom is the man, while the mission is the wickedness. That means the mission to justify the norm. Number 5 is dark clothes. Igbo call it aqua ojii. Dark is the adjective, while the clothes is the noun. Aqua is the noun, while the ojii is the adjective. French call it vêtement noir. 6, we have hot water. Igbo call it mmiri ọkụ. Hot here is the adjective. Water is the noun because the hot signified that water at a particular time, meaning ọkụ. French call it l'eau chaude. L'eau chaude. Igbo call it mmiri ọkụ. 7 is cold water. Cold water. Cold is the adjective while the water is the noun. Igbo call it mmiri oyi. Mmiri oyi. Mmiri is water. Oyi is cold. That means oyi is the adjective while mmiri is the noun. French call it l'eau froide. L'eau froide. L'eau is water, froide is cold. That means the adjective here is froide, while the l'eau is noun. Number 8, we have light person. Light person. The light is the adjective of the person, while the person is the noun. Igbo call it onye ọcha. Onye ọcha. Onye is person. Ọcha is light. That means the adjective here is the ọcha. French simply call it blanc. Big house. Big house. The adjective here is big, while the house is noun. Igbo call it nnukwu ụlọ. Nnukwu ụlọ. Nnukwu is big, while ụlọ is house. That means nnukwu is the adjective, while ụlọ is noun. French call it grand maison. Grand maison. Maison is house. Grand is big. Grand maison. That means the adjective here is grand, while the maison is the house. Small house. Small house. Small is the adjective, while the house is noun. Igbo call it obere ụlọ. Small house is called obere ụlọ in Igbo. Obere is the adjective, while ụlọ is the noun. French call it petit maison. Petit maison. The maison is house. Petit is small. Petit is small. The adjective here is petit. 11. Heavy load. Heavy load. Igbo call it ibu arọ. Heavy is the adjective, while load is the noun. Ibu arọ. Ibu is load. Arọ is heavy. French call it low discharge. Low discharge. 12. Short person. Short person. The adjective here is short because it signifies what the person are or who the person is. Igbo call it mkpụmkpụ mmadụ. Mkpụmkpụ mmadụ. Mkpụmkpụ means short. Mmadụ means person. That means the adjective here is mkpụmkpụ. The noun here is mmadụ. Mkpụmkpụ is short. French call it petit person. Petit person. But 13 of it is good life. Good life. Good is the adjective, while life is the noun. Igbo call it ezi ndụ. Ezi ndụ or ezigbo ndụ. Ezi is good, Ndo is life. French call it bon view. Bon view. Bon is good. View is life. Number 14 is bad life. Bad life. Bad is the adjective while life is noun. Igbo call it ajo ndo. Ajo ndo. While French call it mauvaise vie. Mauvaise vie. Good man. Good man. Adjective here is good. And the man is the noun. Igbo call it ezigbo nwoke. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo is good. Mmadụ maọbụ nwoke is man. French call it un bon nom or number bon nom. Sometimes you say il est beau.